when you're ready, allow yourself to begin by closing your eyes and turning your attention inwards. Taking some time to really land inside of yourself. Let the distractions of the day and the world around you be left alone for a little while. As you really gift yourself the time of practicing, cultivating an inner place of calm. I'd like you to take some deeper breaths, and on each out-breath, feel yourself letting go, landing more deeply in yourself. Noticing the contact points between your body and the chair or the bed or the ground. And let yourself sink into them. Allow more of your body's weight to be absorbed as you let go. So your breath becomes deeper and your body relaxes, and you may notice your mind becoming quieter. And as you do that now, I'd like you to notice whereabouts in your body do you feel the most safe right now? Is it in your heart, in your mind, in your belly, or maybe in one of your arms or legs or hands or feet? But where's the location that you feel an inner feeling of safety? And as you allow your mind to go there now, notice the felt sense. What does safety feel like? What's its quality? And as you allow your mind to be there now, allowing that feeling to grow, to feel a deeper sense of safety now. Allow that feeling to travel through your body. And as that feeling of safety travels through your body, it becomes stronger. You feel it even more deeply. Really experiencing what it is to feel safe. Right here, right now, in this moment. Notice an inner ease as you're able to relax more deeply now into that feeling. You come to realize that the safety that we need is already here. It's inside of you. Your work is to connect to and to feel that place. So as you allow that feeling of safety to continue to build, to continue to spread, I want you to take some even deeper breaths now. Feeling yourself go deeper. Feeling yourself surrendering even more fully to this safety. Because it's here, and so are you, in this moment, right now. Taking some time to really let yourself be held, supported by this feeling. Feeling this feeling of safety now. And as you continue to feel this feeling, notice how from this place your life looks different. You look different. Other people look different. The world is different. Because you're not trying to get safety from someone else or somewhere else. Safety is already here within you. And this is a place that you can come back to whenever you need to. That safety belongs inside of you. Safety is inside of you. And as you allow yourself to really know that to be true, I want you to know that this is a place you can come back to whenever you need, as often as you need. And I'd like you to allow your unconscious now to learn everything it needs to from this meditation, from this practice. That learning and that wisdom becomes part of what guides you through your life. And this safety means that you can trust. You can trust yourself. You can trust other people. You can trust the world around you. Because safety is within you. And as that safety is there, your nervous system transforms with it. And you can keep your eyes closed and continue this meditation for as long as you wish. And then in time when you're ready, you can allow yourself to open your eyes and come back with a new sense of what it means to feel safe. A new sense of what it means to truly be you.